This is going to be two parts. Today, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box for this system and exactly how easy it is to set up. So first, I want to thank LetPot for sending this out to me to review because I am a gardener. I have a greenhouse and we are coming up on the days where I need to be starting my seedlings inside. And can I just tell you how excited I am to have something that's really going to help me through that process this year. So inside here comes your entire unit. I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is. So well packaged, definitely no concerns there. Everything looks great. This top portion is actually going to be my light portion. So this comes with a full spectrum grow light. It's going to help my seedlings develop without me worrying about the placement, the time of year, inside. It's so much more difficult without having something like this. It does also come with your grow tray. It is aerated, so all of your water is going to go through the bottom and then sit inside here so that your plant roots and bases don't get soggy. Inside here is where all of the magic happens. So it has your user manual. Here, this surprised me. I was not expecting that it even comes with your initial grow sponges. So each one of these I'm going to place into my tray and then place my seed. They even have the little indentation there for your seed and be good to go with nothing more than watering it. So there are 40 of them that come from the start. All of your cables, everything you need for power, and then your dome tray here, which has the little openings on the side. The base itself, so aside from there being a light for the top, the base itself is a 24 watt smart heating base. And then once this is all set up, this actually is all going to connect to my phone through an app. So I already have the LetPot app because I have their self-watering system, which is super nice. But I'm going to be able to connect this to my phone and service essentially my seedlings all the way up to grow. So let's get this set up and see how it looks. This is how easy this is. There are literally 6 steps to set up this entire system. Crazy easy. Number one, this post just gets fed right into there. There is a USB connection because it is going to power my top. So that is right on there. By the way, once you have this assembled, there are little push buttons you can use to disassemble it. So it's not a once you click it in, it's there until the end. You can absolutely disassemble this when not in use. The next part is simply taking my power cord here that is a 2-piece. It had them separated, so easy peasy, plug that in. Then I take my tray, so it's already on. My tray, I already filled with those 40 pods that came with it, but you absolutely can use just regular dirt, making sure that you have them about this full. Each one has their seeds in there already. I just drop them in. Once I get this in place, I'm gonna cover those over and spritz the top. The next part was to fill the base tray with 50% water, and then it's as easy as just lifting my seedling tray into the base tray and sliding that onto that heated base. So that nice heated base is going to keep these not just warm, but a good warm moisture, especially once I put on my top here so that I'm keeping all of that humidity in there. So seats in, good to go. Last piece of this though is the fact that it has that soil sensor. And even that was as easy as, I'll turn this around and show you. It was as easy as plugging into this little USB port, which sits right along the back here, and then taking this actually has, so this is my soil probe. these metal prongs have to be seated down into the soil. So I could choose any of my pods here. I'm just gonna choose the one that keeps my cord the most out of the way and plug it right into there so that once I get this connected to my app, that is going to read the quality of my soil and help me to adjust my heat, my water, all of those things, so that hopefully in the next 21 days, I'll be able to come back and show you how great this little seedling system does. I have full confidence because this is a really great unit. Look even at the display on this now that it's on. So I can turn my light up or down. I can turn it off. The heater has different temperatures I can set the heater to. I'm able to set my Wi-Fi so that I get it onto my app. Just a really great system that honestly, I have no doubt we'll be back in a couple weeks and show you the rest.